Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So I'm out here today on top of a ladder, and there's David, and there's Terry, and they're currently in the process of replacing this roof on this outdoors RV. So didn't it have like bird damage, you said, Terry? Like some crows or something ate into it?
Yeah, bird damage on actually under here on this AC gasket, and pipe hole up here up front.
Oh, so basically went after all the sealant, started eating all the Dicor off the roof.
Yeah.
Alrighty, well anyways, it was just another important point to make sure that you're checking out your roofs regularly. I think this unit came in for just some basic maintenance, and while it was here, we did our free roof inspection. And so one of the cool things is by turning it into your insurance, it's nothing that the consumer did, so they didn't hit the coach, and nobody else hit the coach, so it's not really comprehensive or collision. So I'm not sure what their deductible is, but it's probably pretty cheap, and usually it doesn't make the rates and stuff go up as well, so because it's something that's out of their control. But anyways, I'm not sure do you know what year this unit was by chance?
I'm not sure. I think probably a 19 or 20.
19 or 20? So, well, that's even better. So basically now they've got to have a new roof material with a new warranty on the roof, all their sealants, and I can tell by the look at the age of the sealants, and some of the stuff up on the skylight and whatnot over there was looking a little rough. So it's already had shrunk, dried, and starting to crack. So basically they're going to end up with a full brand new roof, all new AC gaskets, and keep in mind that the AC gaskets need to get replaced every 5 years. That's just a little neoprene gasket that gets crushed down from the weight. And then, so full roof reseal, new roof membrane, new AC gaskets. Of course, we're going to blow everything out. We do a bunch of different tricks to them when we're doing them. So we inject a lot of stuff and kind of take a little bit extra steps than a lot of the, whether it be the shops or the manufacturers or whatever you want to say. So, all right, well, hey, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll get you out some more videos soon. Thanks again. Dustin, your RV Specialist.